You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting Italian word, meaning wonder or fascination, something that is when you are the feeling or the fact of being fascinated by something. Fascino, fa, she, so a C before an I is pronounced sh, or it's actually ch, fascino, fascino, yeah, sorry, not fascino. I mean, depending on the local Italian accent it might be, but generally speaking, fascino, fascino is stressed on the first syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.